Alright guys, my name is Flaren. I'm here with another video right now. If you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so. I think I've got very many viewers right now who are actually viewing and they're not even subscribing. So please make sure you subscribe so that you may get new notifications, new videos that I'm gonna be posting, because this video is actually for Kenyans, okay, and Africa. Because I told you guys we are legitimizing forex market, okay. There are very many scams in here, but what I gotta tell you right now, you just need to understand these things, okay. You just need to understand trading by itself, purely trading. You just need to understand trading by yourself. You don't need to be traded, okay. You don't need to be a liquidity for the people. You just need to be the liquidity for the market. That's the first thing you should be understanding. You should not let other people drag you down because you have not learned these concepts. But what you can do right now, you can create these concepts and learn them day by day. Alright, so basically today we're going to be talking about liquidities, okay, understanding some market structures, right, and making sure that you understand the market alignment, the price setups, okay. So basically, guys, I just need to understand. You need to understand that if you learn these concepts very clearly, these concepts will help you in the future, because trading is very much important. Okay, you just need to understand the concept very clearly. All right. If you don't understand the concept right now, you're gonna be the liquidity for the market, and that's very bad. Okay. So basically here we're going to be talking about market structures. That's the first thing here, markets. Okay, let's start with liquidity. Okay, liquidity, that's the first thing we're going to be talking about. The other one is going to be talking market structures. Okay, market structures. Okay, alright, those are the things that we're going to be talking about. So under liquidity, we just need to understand this something we call external range liquidity. Okay, external range liquidity, guys, I need you guys to understand this concept, because let me start here by analyzing this for you. Liquidity is simply money. Okay, let me just put into brackets. Okay, it's actually money. Everything that you hear about liquidity is actually money. Okay, so this is the external range liquidity, and then we have the vice versa, and the external range liquidity and the internal range liquidity. Internal range liquidity. So the external range liquidity is actually the money that is actually found outside the range, okay, at a particular trade session. So for example, if you could see here, okay, if you could see this zone here, for example, if you mark this particular zone, you can see that this liquidity that's actually found in this zone. Let me zoom actually on a 1 hour time frame. So for example, we could see this zone here. This zone is dominated by a consolidation part before the market was actually, if you see something called a consolidation is actually market price is actually running in between, actually inside a range. Okay, so you can see there's no one who's in control of the market. It's okay. So this is the first thing you should be understanding. So this is called, look at this point here, market consolidation. This is called market consolidation. No one is in control of the market, neither the buyers or the sellers. Okay, all right. So if the market is actually confined with this particular zone here, this zone here is called the internal range liquidity. Mark my words here clearly, guys, because This is very much important for your trading analysis. Okay, internal range liquidity. This is actually the money that has actually hunted down inside the range. Okay, okay, okay. So what does it characterize? This is something called the 7 institutional reference points that I've actually been talking about. So we're going to be opening up some ebooks that's going to be helping you to understand these concepts. You don't need to waste your time being sold things that you don't know about. You just need to be understanding this market structure that I'll be showing you here. And guys, make sure you understand this zone because it's gonna help you your trading journey. You don't need many indicators, you just need to understand the market buys, because doing a top-down analysis is actually starting trading from the higher time frame. Then you mark the key zones. Okay, the key zones are very much important. It's the point of interest because they are the key zones that you can create through the market. Now after that, now this is the internal range liquidity. It can be characterized by order blocks, fair value gaps like this one. This is a fair value gap. So the market actually made sure that it has actually filled this zone here. Okay, so this one was a fair value gap, and it's part of the 7 institutional reference point, very much important. So that's the liquidities that are actually found in this confined range, this one. And then the external range liquidity is actually the money that's actually found outside the range. Okay, the first was actually inside and the other one was actually outside. So this zone here is actually called the, let's put it here, external range liquidity. So guys, thank you very much guys for understanding these zones, because I will be taking you through more understanding, because you have learned even this zone is external range liquidity, and here still is actually the external range liquidity. That's actually the money that you can get it outside the market range liquidity. Okay, okay, make sure guys you subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is more insights, we'll be giving you more insights guys. It's your boy Florent. See you for more.